Okay, here we are, talk time with Alicia. Let's talk about stuff. Should I make an intro? Okay. If you don't look like this after working, you've got a cushy as fuck job. I don't want to hear about it. You know, I really don't want to hear about it. If you can't handle honesty, get out of my face. Get out of my face. If you can't handle the truth, get out of my face. Stay in your own lane. If you can't handle the truth, stay in your own lane. Don't take my lane. Because you're not going to like what happens when you take my lane. You know what I'm saying? So the energy today is this. Look at this. This is the energy today. This week I'm a little burnt out this week. It's true. This fucking Gatorade. Okay. This fucking Gatorade's... It tastes like a Jolly Rancher. I was just trying to do something nice. See where that gets me? Underpaid and underloved. That's where that gets me. By a bunch of... Don't say it, Alicia. Okay. Talk time with Alicia. This is what we're gonna do. Okay. So. Reflections on massage therapy. While I drink my... Who has ever bought this colored Gatorade? I swear to God, it is green apple. Fierce green apple. It is fierce. It's fierce. I want to get more food, but I'm not going to. And this is what I look like right now. And I'm so tired of seeing everything online that's so fucking perfect and polished and edited. I don't care about any of that. Don't care. Okay. So it's Sunday. I'm sweating. I think that when you're a massage therapist, you give all of yourself to everyone else, as you can see. A lot like being a physician or a nurse or a therapist or just anyone who manages people, anyone who deals with people and has to smooth over the issues going on, you know? See, if I do this, maybe my wrinkles will go away, but they won't. Why do I even care? I don't care about anything else, so I should stop caring. Okay. Now that I'm working my ass off again, I'm gonna try to not be bitter, because that's not cool. It's not helpful for anyone. Mostly me. And since everyone in this life is selfish, it doesn't really matter anyways. People are so selfish. Am I the only not selfish person? I just give to everyone. I'm just always giving to everyone. No one's giving to me. Nothing. Not a fucking thing. Nothing. And the people who do give to me only want something, and then they can't handle it anyways. So, fuck them too. You know? That's where I'm at. I could use a bath. Is this what happens when you are burnt out? See. Yeah. All the feels. I need to... Now I'm gonna have to go to Target. Because, like, I've been talking for 5 minutes about what? What have I been talking about for 5 minutes? Nothing. I've just been complaining for 5 minutes. I have to go get Epsom salt. Why I don't order all of this stuff online? I need a team. Like, I need a team. Why? Everyone else has a team. You know, I need a fucking team. I need someone. This is why people get fucking married, okay? Go get all this shit for me, okay? Let you do that, let me do this. You do that, let me do this. Go fucking do it. That's why people do this. But instead, when you're alone, you just fucking always have to be going. And going and going and going and going and going and going and going. I'm fucking tired, okay? This, I can't believe they still make this. It's kind of good, like, this is the only ad that Fierce Green Apple has ever had, and it's me. Starring Alicia, the massage therapist. I mean, Gatorade, honestly, for massage therapists is like fucking brilliant. I don't know what market they're not reaching. They're not reaching us. They should be, because, listen, here's the thing. When I'm working, I do not take breaks. I do not take breaks. If I'm working for 6 hours, I do not take a fucking break. I'm not taking a break. Okay, it's like, do they take breaks in the middle of like the Tour de France? No. Do they? Maybe they do. I don't know. Please tell me, the one person that watches this, please Google that and write that down. I don't know. I really don't know. But the world right now is so weird. Feels like everyone is just ready to just give up at any point. At any point in time, they're just gonna sign off. I'm just signing off. This is what's happening. I'm not even gonna sign off. I'm just holding down the restart. I'm just holding down the restart button. That's it. The on-off button. I'm not even restarting this. I'm just straight holding it. That's it. I don't care. That's what it feels like. So, that's when I know that I'm burnt out a little bit. Things are stressing me out. So what do I need to do? I need to eat a lot of good food, which I already did. I had my dinner that I didn't even want last night that I ordered. Look, my eyes crossing. That's how you know I'm stressed out. That's how I know. Not that you care. You is only me. I'm gonna watch this when I'm 65 years old and I'm dying. I'm living under a tree. I have a hammock that I built. Just like all of the Doomsday movies. Maybe I should go watch Spielberg's movie. I could go to the IMAX theater like alone right tonight, except I have homework because I'm always in school to do what? I never even work for anyone else. I always end up working for myself. But in my mind, according to my family, my very... Who is my family anyways? I have to, you know, play the game. You know, the only game that I play is my own. I am what they call I want you to think of the word that it is. Okay. Like if we were playing Hangman right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. Not 10. 5. P-I-Z-Z-A. Pizza. No. S-U-N-N-Y. No. Sunny Pizzas. 2 of my favorite things. Or maybe C-A-M-E-L. Also one of my favorite things. 3 things. Oh my god. I have been... Okay. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. Okay. Only my clients really get to see me like this. Like, laugh. Like, and be nice and fun. I'm not like this to, like, strangers. I don't know. I wish I was. I'm only, like, happy and nice if I have a bunch of money in my bank account. And I'm not working for someone else who's a fucking slave-driving baboon. Okay. These slave-driving baboons... I'm over these slave-driving baboons. Okay. Do I need to make a cartoon? Because I will. Okay. This is why I need a team. If I had a team, I could fulfill all these, like, fun ideas, you know? Like... Like, think about it. The people who have a team aren't even doing anything. Like, think about Jay-Z. What's he doing? Nothing. He has a whole fucking team. And a wife that's, like, a goddess, okay? What the fuck's he doing? I know he's so corrupt. I can feel it. So, sorry, dude, but you're not on my fave list. Your wife is. More than you. But let's see what else. I mean, he just, like, there's something off. I don't know what it is. That's it. I want to go get more of this rose milk because it's so good. And I will buy so much of it, but I have to limit myself because I do not have unlimited funds for rose milk. But I promise you, maybe I need to do that. Should we go to the grocery store, the Indian market, and get stuff to make it my rose milk? Because I don't think I can make it the same. I really don't. I can try it though, but theirs is so good. I don't know. Like, if I pay them to let me see how they make it, will they let me see? You know? I'll give them like $200 to like let me watch how they make it. Right? because it is not like the Fierce Green Apple. Not doing it. But I will come back to this is the ad. This is not sponsored because I am nobody. I just talk, in this case, complain about the world. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be a naysayer. Today, I'm in that state. Today, I thought about buying a pack of cigarettes, but I didn't. Today, I thought about actually recently, I've been having that feeling a lot. That's how I know, like, okay, that's how you know. When you used to smoke and you have that, you're like, okay, I just want to smoke a cigarette. But you don't. It's not good for you. It's not going to help me. I can reason away my addictions. This is why I believe people should talk about it, and this is why I'm talking about it right now, because if I can reason away why Fierce Green Apple is not the greatest thing for me, then I won't drink it. So this is not the worst thing in the world for me. I do need electrolytes. Do I need sugar? I do, actually. Cigarettes, I don't need those. I want those, but I don't need them. All those pretty dresses I bought this week, I needed those. Why? Because they're vintage. Okay. And they don't exist anywhere else. And this world is ending. I know it. Like, I look around at the things that I own. I don't even own the furniture in this room. I don't even own it. That step stool, I own. So, these glasses, I bought. I own this bottle. Aside from that, not Jay-Z. No. But it's what's in here. It's actually what's in here. It's what's in here, okay? It's what's in here. Energy vortexes in the heart center. This life has been programmed in such a way that you forget the true nature of your becoming and your being, your truth as a light being. Very simple. Very simple. The yogis had it right. And most people have never even stretched their body enough to know that it's actually an additional sense. So, drinking Fierce Green Apple Gatorade is not the recommended path, but it is a path, nevertheless. I'm feeling the strangeness of getting old. Very heavily this year because I'm getting lady a lot. Like lady. Like miss. I don't get miss anymore. I get lady. And I'm like, the fuck? You calling me lady? Are you seriously calling me lady right now? This lady. What the fuck? Lady? Like, if you call me lady, I'm gonna be pissed off. Well, it's okay. This whole video is about me being pissed off. Oh, I need to leave this country. Okay. I need to Rambo it. I will Mayflower it that way. Okay. I don't even know. I don't even remember the movie Rambo. I don't remember. I don't think that's relevant at all. So, like, what the fuck, dude? What a dick, you know? What a dick. For all these people out here still living in this whatever fixed reality, okay? No. I want to upend all of these lies about this reality that we have been spoon-fed, forcefully fed. Okay. So that's why I just do my best to focus on truth. The only truth in the history of the world is the body and nature and the stars. Okay. If I can help someone live a better life in some way to ease some amount of pain, or be their friend, or listen to them, then my life is fulfilled. I am fulfilled by that. I have to remind myself of that, because it doesn't matter if I can't go to the mall every single day. Buy all these pretty things, because why? I don't even go anywhere to wear these pretty things. And no one can hang because they're so fragile. They're so fragile. And they can't handle the truth. So I want to take a nap. Usually when I try to take naps, I can't. Does anyone else have that problem? The thing is too, like, my eyeballs always hurt. So here's what's gonna happen. It's like, I would like to read, but then my eyeballs hurt so bad. And then I just end up falling asleep because my eyes get tired, because it's hard to keep them open. Because the muscles are actually small. Like, the muscles on this eyeball are short, okay? So it's like, oh, like I'm trying so hard to keep. Imagine if you didn't have like certain muscles on your arm. Like, it'd be hard to lift your arm, you know, because they're not there. They don't exist, right? So like, this one gets so tired. And then I want to close them. And then I just want to listen to things. And in that listening, I drift out into this transient state. You know? Look at that. I do enjoy this talking out loud though, because it is like journaling, but it's more honest, because when the act of writing forces you to limit what you're feeling and what you're thinking and how you express it, which is in itself a beneficial language, yes. But the act of speaking openly, without hesitation, just like free flow, like this, it gives me another, like a new found release or relief. And yeah, I'm just trying to proselytize the public speaking, because who am I, you know? No one. No one is anyone. That's my philosophy. No one is anyone. And the people who think that they're anyone's, I mean, to themselves, they're really no ones, you know? They just like happened to have something on this timeline that expanded their ideology. Like, if for whatever reason, like one, like, okay, becoming viral is such a hilarious notion. What? Who is this person and what do they have to say to me? Like, who really cares what you have to say?